Now we have audio. Alright, so I think I finally figured out the issue I was having. The problem that I was running into was I had a network bridge set up ever since I hooked up these security cameras. Yeah, I don't know. Anyways, it was siphoning off and really limiting my so I was looking to see if I could open in the same settings that I had before. But anyways, it was really limiting my reach when it comes to upload speeds. I was down it was like 0.9 or something. It was terrible. So I couldn't do this. Ooh, I have no hat on. Alright. So anyways, I'm not really going into this stuff for that reason, though. What I was going to try to do was bring in actually, we'll just do this. We'll just do a quick edit post thing, and if anybody sees something that they want me to cover, just throw it on there. I only have a little bit of time this morning to do this. I wanted to make these a little bit easier to read. And then I need to fix this because I lied in my article. I found out last night that's not actually where Alright. So what we're gonna do, I don't know why it said that for a minute. Alright. Oh, this is awesome. It is working though. That's really good. This is really good. Computer, turn the studio light white. Alright, now I'm on fire. Stand by as I grab some water. And then we're going to get to the bottom of this bunker number 11. And we're going to do it. Actually, this is actually exactly what we're going to do. We're going to... maybe I don't have time. We'll start the process of initializing an AI bot for high-stake gaming. My thing is like way off. You can watch me making coffee. The original title of all of this was Morning Coffee. Anyways, nobody was really watching it over on X, but that's, I think, because I was doing a little bit different thing. I had it set up to where... I was doing it in the car, so I wasn't actually doing any actual work. It was just me talking, which, I don't know, if you know me, I like to talk. I like to hear my own voice sometimes. I don't know why that is. I think everybody likes that, probably. Sorry, just making some coffee. Oh, that's how I should start doing that. I think I've been doing this wrong. Alright. Alright, I'm back. Okay, so what we're gonna do here, we're just gonna take this straight to ChatGPT. And we're just gonna do a new chat. Alright, close this. Alright, here we go. We're gonna go to, hey there, I have a bit of a dilemma. Here. I have written an article and posted it on Hashtag.us, but the information about bunker number 11 and Evan's location is not correct. I thought it was next to the dried up lake bed near the military base, but it's not. Can you please find out where it is located? Okay, so this is the fun part. Fun, I guess. Boop. I'm gonna do this. I'm going to actually give AI the link. Boom. See what it does. I was incorrect before. I thought it was located somewhere. It was in fact not located. That was bunker number 5. Not that this has anything to do with web development, but it's an example of using AI to solve real-world problems, such as video game dilemmas, video game Easter eggs. Took a few minutes anyways for viewers to catch on that I was live. Oh my gosh. So it's like totally different than what I thought it was. One more shot of coffee for my brain. One more shot of coffee for the brain. Alright. Coffee is made. Now. Computer, set a timer for 12 minutes. 12 minutes, you say?
12-minute timer started.
Alright. Computer, turn off this morning's alarm.
Checking your alarms. I found a recurring alarm set for 4:21 a.m. on weekdays. Would you like me to cancel just today's instance or the entire series?
Just today's.
Cancel today's 4:21 a.m. alarm. The rest of the series remains unchanged.
Now everybody knows my alarm, just in case I sleep in. Yeah, 4:21 is sleeping in. I don't think I'm gonna leave this one as public, anyways. Okay, so if I take this, it's a copy. Here we go. Okay. So I'm gonna take this. Do that. Okay. Now, so why is it doing? Oh, computer, turn the office light off. It kind of helps. Computer, turn the studio light to 50% brightness. Today. Computer, turn the studio light to 50% brightness. Bam, that was it. Why does it do that? That is really annoying. Anyways, I would like to get rid of this. There's a box. Maybe it's because I have to chat in it. Oh my gosh, it's actually gonna freaking do it. Is it correct though? It's totally wrong. So, one of the biggest issues, literally nobody's watching this, so who cares? One of the biggest issues when ChatGPT first started, when I first started using ChatGPT, is, and like when models first started becoming public, anyways, they were only trained up to a certain date, and like that was it. You couldn't figure anything out. This is not helpful at all. Maybe this one. Maybe we just do this. I'll just do... What I want is... I wonder if... This will be interesting. Like reading it on the screen that I'm streaming from. What I should do is move this over here. This way, it looks like I'm reading the actual... it should be this way. That's funny. Okay, so... That isn't even the freaking one I want. This is the one I want. Okay. We'll see how it does here. Oh, hey. Welcome. Let's see if it actually works now that it has the correct information. Oh, I don't know if I like the portrait layout. just joining us, I am trying to get AI to create a map of a fake map, basically, of a video game map to create locations of certain. And we lost you. Alejandro. I think this is gonna do it anyways, because I need to get moving. This is cool though. I'm really stoked that I was able to figure out the streaming issue. And if that's something that somebody's interested about, dang, this is actually working amazing. Possibly. No. See, it's not having, it doesn't have the correct locations. Alright, we'll just stop it. Just stop, ChatGPT. Oh, that's correct. You have the correct information, but keep messing the image up. Alright, stop. Alright. Well, I think that about does it for this morning's stream. After this, we'll see how it does with this one, and then I'm probably gonna let go because I have to let the dogs out. I'm going to continue this entire thing on Discord. Maybe I should just shift it over here. I don't know. I am digging this. This is a lot simpler to get set up and roll with. Yeah, so I wasn't able to do this before properly because my I had this network bridge from, I think I'm repeating myself. I think I already told this story earlier, but I'll repeat it again. It was routing the Wi-Fi traffic through this network bridge, and I've never, dealt with that or whatever. See, this one's wrong too. It's cool though, it tries. It thinks there's an island out there too. I don't know. That's not what I was going for with all of this anyways. But I think we updated this just fine. Possibly what I could do is go back up here and grab some of these. Like, I think this is a decent one. See, what I need to do is just grab a blank one. If I could just... Alright, we'll try that. Whoa. Where? Kastovia, Russia. Download the full detailed map. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Save. Image as. Okay. This is what I'm talking about. Let's save it. There we go. Now. Oh, these are rad. Wow, there's a lot of great pictures in here. Call of Duty map editor. Wow. There's a lot of good information here. This is CallOfDutyMaps.com. Yeah, that's it. Crazy. Alright, so that's not... Oh, no, I did. Okay, so if I go in here, maybe I can do like a... Let's see here. Open. Now, I wonder if I can share. It won't let me do it. It's not gonna let me do it. So, let's see if it'll do it here. Let's see if AI can do it first. So that's the whole idea of this, right? There we go. This will be it, though, for the attempt. It's one of those juice worth the squeeze things at this point. I wonder, oh, I should share. this on. Oops. That I don't care about. Oh, okay. Alright. Not that anybody gives a shit on that. Why is this not working? That's fascinating. I wonder what setting. Oh, no, there it is. Okay. And it did not do that. No. It's really worried about the template, or the, not the template. It's worried about the What are you talking about, Alexander? Are you even still talking? No, sorry. I'm trying to look for a color that is neutral to show the bunker locations. We can go green. It won't let me do a size 6. Okay, so I'm gonna put the hills one is right. Oh shoot, now I gotta. Yeah, it is like right. Yeah. I go here. I go here. I go here. This might take a little while. Ooh, it has AI. AI can do it? What? AI can do it? Sorry, I am stuck on. This screen is kind of boring, and I probably will just change this soon. But I found this map over here, and I'm trying to edit it, but it won't let me put this in the window capture thing. Oh, yes, it will. I totally just lied to you inadvertently just then. So we got it here. We're good. I need to go back here. But let me grab this again. Okay, so as you can see, I'm editing said map. I don't think it lets me do text in here. It's kind of dumb. It was very dumb, actually. I wonder, why would it let me do that, but not add? You know what I should be doing? I should pull this into like an actual editor. But we have run out of time here, I think. Hmm. Yeah, I gotta go feed the hounds their breakfast. But for those of you who joined me, thank you. This has just been kind of a little bit of a session. I was trying to fix an article I created yesterday because I provided incorrect information on something. It's really not that important. But I was trying to hone in on my video or my image editing skills here. To go in here and put locations for Easter or for a video game follow along thing. Now, I think I'm done. One more note on this, just in case. I am using this for documentation. This is my first video using YouTube Live on my computer, connected via Starlink, and I finally have the bitrate up to a point where I can actually stream this.
Sorry, could you finish your thought?
Computer stop. I have it hooked up to this, and I'm doing it through this. Prior to this, I've been doing my live streams via mobile and driving in the vehicle, and it hasn't really been about tutorials and stuff, but this is going to start being a little bit more of a tutorial based live thing where I'm actually on here doing things. This was a trial run, test run, something very basic, a WordPress article at highstick.us, a basic walkthrough of using ChatGPT. We covered that. Tried to get it to do this editing, but it is not very good at that, so it didn't do that. Sorry, will you... I have coffee. But, anyways, good session, and I will see everybody tomorrow morning, probably earlier. I think what I'm going to do is make this a little bit more of an exclusive early thing. I don't know what I'm going to do, actually. But, bottom line, thank you for joining me. I'm Alexander Gill, and until next time, keep it real. I need a catchphrase. My son said peace isn't good enough. So, until next time, keep on keeping on. I don't know. The time is now. Keep moving forward. All of mine in one. But anyways, on a serious note, there I am. On a serious note, thank you for joining me, and till next time.